Service to man is service to God. Manava Seva, Madhava Seva. Jana Seva, Janardana Seva. Nara Seva, Narayana Seva. With this humble objective, Samatvam, referring to equanimity or yoga, began its public service activities in 1987 in New Delhi, India. The service areas of Samatvam include healthcare, education, research and social welfare. Beginning 1993, enriched by a small group of doctors, counselors, social workers and volunteers, Samatvam Trust crystallized as a grassroots healthcare institution based in Bangalore. In 2012, Samatvam completed 25 years of public service, touching the health and lives of more than 1 lakh fellow citizens with diabetes, adults and children. No one will leave Samatvam Gnana Sanjeevani uncared and unprovided, irrespective of their socio-economic status. This was our opening credo. We continue to preserve and persevere this till today. Service with devotion is our motto. Each patient deserves the best of our knowledge, skills, and most importantly, humanity. Healthcare of highest possible quality to the highest possible quantity is the universal need. Commitment to reach out to the poor and needy is permanent. Power of prevention is our slogan. Diabetes and its complications are preventable. Heart attack, strokes, blindness, kidney failure, gangrene, leg amputations are preventable. Angioplasty and bypass surgeries are preventable to a major extent. The answer is in your hands. Samatvam Gnana Sanjeevani is there to help you. During this long journey, at several steps, we have pioneered novel diabetes patient and public health education programs, innovated outreach rural and urban diabetes camps, and implemented model self-help community care services for our people and nation, all with social relevance for human and societal good. These include organization of childhood diabetes clinics, residential diabetes camps, and patient-parent support groups, Peers for Health or Madhura Sanjeevani, wherein diabetes patients or their family members are themselves trained, equipped, deployed and empowered as community health workers or so-called barefoot doctors to serve as health ambassadors for their own community, that is villages and urban slums. Samatvam helps them help themselves. The highlights of Project Disha, which supports type 1 insulin dependent diabetes children and youth, include free childhood diabetes clinic, free insulin lifeline and insulin for every child, and insulin plus education, wherein possible financial support is provided for their formal school and college education towards making these youngsters proud and productive citizens of the nation. Project Dosti supports type 2 non-insulin dependent diabetes adults through free adult diabetes clinic, free medicines, that is health for helpless program, and other social welfare activities. Respected friends and fellow men, it continues to be a long and fulfilling journey. Humanity has always realized that hospitals are temples, churches and mosques. Revered patients are living gods. doctors and other health workers, or priests and devotees who have been gifted with the divine opportunity to worship and to be blessed. Our journey continues. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.